Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel friends. In this video I am gonna tell you about how to fix SIM card no service problem in your Motorola smartphone. Friends, as you can see the SIM card, there is no service available. Here it is showing emergency call and there is no service. You can see when I just turn mobile data on and off here. So to fix it, first, if you have not recharged your SIM card, firstly you have to recharge your smart SIM card. And if you have not inserted well in your SIM tray, firstly you have to just remove your SIM tray, then again insert your SIM card and then put your SIM card in your smartphone. So if it is working, then friends, if there is any bug or any, so you can fix it using this. Click on search and here you have to write reset. Click on reset options and then again click on reset options. Here it is reset mobile network settings. Click on reset settings, enter the passcode that you have entered to unlock the screen. Click on reset setting and you can see network setting has been reset successfully. And friends, this will solve your problem. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then subscribe to our YouTube channel for more helpful tips and tricks videos. See you next time.